Hey, how's it going? Taking a little time off from making some pots. I got a few over there already, so I can take a break and work on this. I just picked this up, and it was a ranch vehicle. It was pretty badly abused, and took it today and pressure washed it and got a lot of the yuck off of it. The winch is not functioning right now, but I'm sure it's something simple. And all the stickers were peeling off. You can see this is where a little bit of sticker was left. Anywhere you see paint where it looks good, that's where stickers were left. So peeled all those off, and then got to re-weld this. They said they had a bull tied to it, and it went nuts and damaged it. And that's why they got this winch rope up here like that, keeping that from fall off. But I'm gonna take it off and either fix it or dispose of it. Got some rust here and there, a lot of surface rust. And you can see the dash. I'm gonna show y'all how to restore all this jacked up plastic. It won't ever be like this, but it will be better. So not sure what I got to do. This will be the first one of these I've done. You can see I started on this quarter panel here, and it looks a little better. It will never be like new, but it'll be satisfactory for somebody. It's still got a lot of life left in it. Got like 6,000 miles on it. I'm not sure if we're going to reupholster the seats or hunt some down. They don't slide, they're just fixed, but if they slid back, it'd be a lot nicer. So, all right, I'll catch y'all on the next video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.